hello. Welcome back. We are here again with another episode. So, how are you, Tai?
I'm good.
Good.
Still very sick, but I'm good.
Yeah. Sick, but still you are doing this.
Yes.
Great. So, we have been talking about a lot, some intense and some insightful conversations we have had in the
No.
past.
What was your word? Enlightened.
Enlightened conversations. But yeah, so I think now we should talk about something that is a bit lighter. Like there some थोड़ा होना चाहिए वो balance की.
We don't know.
Yeah.
We can make
actually
any
don't
subject
know.
very serious.
That's true. But I think today it is not going. We don't know. Let's not decide that yet.
So, hi everyone, welcome back to our next episode. Like I already mentioned, I am still sick, but I'm not like ill, but I had dengue, and then since then I'm recovering slowly but surely. So here we are, and let's get into it.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's really great.
You should start with
conversation.
this because you are this. What generation are you, first of all? What is your generation called? Are you a
I
Gen
don't
Z?
know. Why are we naming generations? I
But
don't
that's
know.
how it has always been. So tell me.
See, I was born in 2004.
Yeah.
So I don't know where it falls. I guess I am a Gen Z, not a millennial.
No, of
Yeah.
course not. But tell me a few things about your childhood friends. And are you still friends with
Obviously, I am still friends with my chaddi buddies.
Nice.
Who were my chaddi buddies since childhood. Oh my god, I can't even speak about them. They are so hilarious people. Like we have had a lot of fun. Like? I'll tell you, like I have had like different kind of friends. Like I was in Kashmir, I had friends there, mohalle ke friends, and school ke friends. But then there is this one core group of friends, or there is this one friend who is always with you. And जो भी कुछ आपने किया है, कांड या कुछ भी, कुछ ऐसे नॉर्मल सी चीज, आपने पानी भी पिया है तो उसने भी पिया है. It has been like that. So like we have done, oh my god, I can't even we used to, I'll share you a little funny story. तो हम जब छोटे थे, हम गांव में नदी पे स्विमिंग के लिए जाते थे एवरी समर. सो जो थोड़ा बड़ा वाला नदी था जहाँ पे ज़्यादा मज़ा आता था स्विमिंग के लिए, वो गांव से थोड़ा, मतलब हमारे घर से ना, गांव में ही था, पर चलते चलते 1.5 किलोमीटर 2 किलोमीटर तक दूर था. तो जाते जाते वी यूज्ड टू गो by foot, like we used to walk and we used to go, but आते आते we were like tired and we were like अरे अभी नहीं जाना है. और जहाँ पे नदी थी वहाँ पे अक्सर रोड खराब होता है, तो जो बसेस आते थे ट्रांसपोर्ट के, एंड यू हैव सीन बसेस इन कश्मीर, उनको पीछे वो सीढ़ी रहता है, एक लैडर होता है, तो दे यूज्ड टू लाइक ड्राइव स्लो देयर. सो हम पीछे ऐसे ना मतलब ऐसे छुप जाते थे कहीं तो, और धीरे धीरे जाके पीछे से चढ़ के चलते बस पे और लटक के जाते थे. पूरा अपने घर तक ऊपर, मतलब जहाँ पे सेटलमेंट है, जहाँ पे घर और होते हो, उस एरिया तक. तो एक बार क्या हुआ, मतलब ऐसे फिर गिर जाता है कभी कभी बच्चे, लग वग जाती है, तो कंडक्टर्स यूजुअली फिर अलाउड नहीं करते ऐसे बैठना. तो एक बार हम चढ़े, हम 3 दोस्त थे. मैं और सालिक थे डेफिनेटली, तीसरा कौन था आई डोंट रिमेम्बर, बट हम 3 लोग थे. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड इज हम बस पे चढ़े पीछे लटके, बट देन द थर्ड गाय हु वाज विद अस हु टोल्ड मी, आई थिंक परवेज होता, हाँ, ही टोल्ड मी कि ओके ब्लेस यू, सॉरी. सो ही टोल्ड मी कि आज नहीं जाते यार, बस से उतर जाते. तो हम उतर गए और सालिक नहीं उतरा. उसको हमने बोला था उतर, पर वो नहीं उतरा. उसने बोला नहीं, मुझे आलस आया हुआ है. एंड देन कंडक्टर ने उसको देख लिया और उसने ना धीरे से बस को रुकाया, बोला रोकने को, उतर के पीछे आ गया और उसको पकड़ लिया. एंड वी वर चिल्ड्रन एंड सालिक को पता नहीं लगा अभी मैं कैसे बचूं, एंड उसने उसको ऐसे दबोच लिया और पकड़ लिया, चल अभी तुझे अभी बांध के रखता हूँ वगैरह वगैरह से डरा रहा था. एंड सालिक वाज लाइक नहीं 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 मुझे छोड़ो मैं पैंट में ही सुसु कर दूंगा. लाइक मैं तो रोड पे लेट गया था हंस के.
How old were you?
We were 8 or 9, I guess, but we were children, small children. But oh my god, like हम ईद पे भी we used to go we used to buy crackers, firecrackers, and then we used to go and burst it out of somebody's house in like near the window. And sometimes that rocket used to go inside the windows of
Oh my
the house, and
goodness.
they used to blast inside the kitchen. Oh my god, we have done something really crazy in my childhood. But yeah, I've had really lot of good friends. Talking about friends also, I've had friends which were with me in hostel. उधर के
Here?
हाँ
In
in
Pune?
पुणे उधर के कांड तो मतलब you can call it a zoo. There was this thin line between a hostel and a zoo in our hostel. So yeah,
दंगा.
खूब very मतलब हद ही नहीं है दंगे का. But tell me about your childhood friends and your childhood.
I remember one day, so you might hear
Yeah.
heavy rains, unexpected rains. Rainfall is
bin
here.
मौसम बरसात is what we call it.
But
It is just disturbing us, but let's move on. Let's just keep on talking. I think
yeah, if we could show it to you, it's heavily raining outside.
we don't have a focus puller right now. Otherwise, we would have showed.
No, it's not focus.
If we move the camera, then focus will be out of focus. Obviously, we come from two different generations, so I know what I have done in my time and in my era when I was a child, and what type of friendships I have had.
Yeah.
So tell me about your, like, you have been a 90s kid, I guess, or a 2000 kid, early 2000 kid. So how were the friendships? Like, what were the, like, क्या कांड होते थे आपके, मतलब कि आज ये करते हैं वगैरह वगैरह. Like, but have you had like your core best friends, a group or a friend like that?
Unfortunately, no,
Okay.
because I've moved around
Oh.
a lot. But it's okay also for
Yeah.
me because then I have friends. I have many friends whom I can count on.
Okay.
But I distinctly remember this. One of my friends, I had gone to stay at her place during summer break, if I'm not wrong. And what we used to do is, so her parents used to go for a walk after dinner. And her name is Janhavi. Her and I, what we used to do is, we used to act like we are secret agents, and we used to secretly follow Kaka Kaku, and we used to act out the entire thing. Like, we used to sneak behind them, we used to hide, we used to be like, you know, the way they do the gesture, like, this way,
company.
So we used to do all that, and of course Kaka Kaku had no knowledge of this, so there was no way of them finding us, you know. But we never got caught, so we were good secret agents. So that was something. Why the hell we were doing that, I have no idea, but we did that. So ऐसे कोई कांड का schedule नहीं होता था कि हाँ आज ये करेंगे आज वो करेंगे. It's just that एक तो phones नहीं थे तब, and also most of us did not have cable also. So सिर्फ DD रहता था, तो TV भी नहीं देख सकते थे उतना. तो whenever we had time, we would play with each other. मतलब पकड़ा पकड़ी, hide and seek, घर घर भी बहुत खेलते थे. तो yeah, but I don't have this one best friend since I was a child. I don't have that. I have really close friends, and it's not one best friend I have. I have handful of people whom I can share anything and everything with?
See, I'll tell you, I also have like had different friends. Like I've also had many friends,
Yeah.
but then I have this one friend who has been with me since like I remember my life.
That's nice.
Yeah,
That's
and we have also like you shared about that you pretended to be secret agents. We used to like I had a friend, like he is my friend, he's still my friend, his name is Parvez, and he was a really, you know, that कीड़ा जिसके दिमाग में होता है कि to do something, and he was like, let's do one thing, we'll go we'll cut the branch of the trees and we'll make वो क्या बोलते हैं bow and arrow, and he actually used to make it a proper bow and arrow, and he taught me.
Nice.
And we made the arrows from the steel that used to be मतलब वो बंड होता नहीं, वो बंड होता है एक्चुअली एक मतलब इट्स रिवर के ऊपर थोड़ा वो बांधते ताकि फ्लो ना हो जाए और फ्लड्स के टाइम पे, तो उसको ना स्टील से ऐसे, स्टील या आयरन होता है वो, आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज, तो हम उससे पत्थर से काट के ऐसे उससे फिर एरोज बनाते थे. एंड देन ही यूज्ड टू बी लाइक कि जो भी हमारे लाइक हमसे छोटे वाले हमारे दोस्त है, हम उनको लेके जाएंगे, उनको ट्रेनिंग देंगे और ऐसी फौज खड़ी करेंगे लाइक वी यूज्ड टू बी लाइक महाराजा. फिर शिकार वगैरह जाएंगे,
pretend शिकार.
हाँ, and we used to actually try to एक कबूतर बैठा है, चल try कर, but we never were successful. And once what happened is, oh my god,
Thunder.
yes.
Thunder.
So what once happened, I recall like a funny incident. So Salik, who is my best friend, so he's the only guy I have been with since like my childhood. So there were two guys standing like here, and Parvez was our like leader who was teaching us, and I was the sub teacher, you know, the junior assistant. And he was like, he was talking to me in signs, and he was like कि इसको समझ जाएगा कि मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, और मुझे नहीं समझा.
Oh, that actually reminds me. We used to make up our own languages.
Yeah.
Smirchi bhasha, we used to call it. And that's how we used to share secrets so that our parents really didn't understand what we were saying. So
we also had that words for some things that कि इसको ये बोलेंगे, उसको वो बोलेंगे. But then
how cute is that?
He just was like in sign language कि he just told me कि ऐसा ऐसा करो, and he meant कि तुम्हें इन दोनों के बीच में से तीर ऐसे मारना है. And I thought कि he said कि इसको तीर मारो. And I hit him, and it was a proper iron ka.
Oh my.
And I hit him in the back, and he was laughing.
Oh my god.
He just, I don't know why did he think कि मुझे समझ जाएगा, कुछ decide नहीं हुआ था. He was just out of nowhere, he was like, hey. And I was like, okay. Okay, fine, I'll do it. And when I did it, Salik was like,
oh no.
उस दिन जो गालियाँ खाई है, my god.
Oh my god.
So we.
But did you guys used to have any secrets?
Oh,
just
oh
friends?
my god, lot of secrets. I can't even share them.
But now that you have grown up,
no.
Because see, I'll tell you, secret matlab, I think most of us used to make up stuff.
No.
It wasn't real कि बचपन में क्या secret होगा यार? What I mean, I think we used to make up stories and say it's a secret and don't tell anyone.
That we have also done, yeah.
But do you remember any funny or any particular secret that?
No, I don't think that we did like that. But there was something that there was something that we were like we would have done, and then we would have been like, "ये यार, please किसी को बोल मत." But then it was fine. I think किसी को पता चल भी जाता तो कुछ ऐसा फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Kids.
But no, I'll tell you, we were innocent as children, but not that much. We have done some things that we shouldn't have done in our childhood.
But I think that happens because we don't know कि इसके consequences.
Yeah, true.
And that's the innocence.
Yeah,
we
so
don't know.
I'll tell you one thing. When I think I was 9 years or 10 years old, 9 years old, and me and my friend, we have left our houses like in the morning 8 and on my cycle, a double seat, one cycle, and we have come back by evening 8. And I don't know where we had gone. We had just gone like
What?
like 100 kilometers and all, like both sides 50 kilometers 50 kilometers, and
That's far away.
whole day we were like that, like we were traveling on the cycle. And we used to feel hungry because we didn't have money, so we used to go anybody's apple farm, pick apples and eat, come and ride the cycle. When I used to be
my
tired,
God.
he used to ride, and when he used to get tired, I used to ride.
फिर घर जाके
And when we came home, तो वो ना थापी होती है एक,
I
you know
don't
थापी,
नहीं।
वो ना तो गांव में कपड़े धोते हैं ना, तो फिर
अच्छा,
उनको ऐसे
हाँ, हाँ।
पीटते हैं, एक बैट
ओके
जैसा
ओके
होता है।
हाँ पता है
तो माय पेरेंट्स लाइक कि ठीक है, मैंने थोड़ा सा तो बोलेंगे बिकॉज दे गेट वरीड, दे लाइक इतना भी नहीं करना होता है वगैरह वगैरह, एंड दे जस्ट लेट इट, लाइक दे स्कोल्डेड मी ऑब्वियसली, बट दे जस्ट लेट इट बी. But then my mom went to my friend's house and I was with her.
oh no
And she saw my friend's elder brother was beating him with that thapi.
oh no क्योंकि बताया नहीं था घर
Obviously, हम लोग गायब हो गए. And we used to be like that. हम गायब हो जाते थे.
oh my
And
god
I'll tell you, me and my friend, we used to try to make a bulldozer out of injections, used injections. I swear, like that एक इंजेक्शन में पानी है, then it has a pipe, वो सेकंड
हाँ.
ऐसे पुश किया
हाँ
तो सेकंड इंजेक्शन में पानी जाएगा एंड उसका वो पिस्टन पीछे जाएगा, तो उसका वो बुलडोजर का जो होता है ना,
हाँ
ऐसा हो जाएगा. फिर यहाँ पे और एक इंजेक्शन है, तो इधर से दूसरा इंजेक्शन प्रेस किया तो ये ऐसे हो जाएगा. We used to try and make all this stuff, and we had this dream कि यार एक दिन हम ऐसा प्रॉपर एक मॉडल बनाएंगे. एंड वी यूज्ड टू हैव दिस कि एक दिन बैठ हम लोग, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर कि आफ्टर स्कूल, आफ्टर लाइक वी आर डन प्लेइंग, वी लाइक ही हैड, जो गाय का तबेला होता है उसके ऊपर जगह होती है जहाँ पे घास वास रखी जाती है. So we had made a science lab there.
oh my god
And we used to experiment this कि फैन वो मोटर को घुमाया जो हमारे टॉय कार का होता है, तो बल्ब ग्लो अप होता है, तो अरे कुछ ऐसा बनाते हैं. It was very basic.
Of course.
That I realized later, but at the time I used to feel like, oh my god, हम तो साइंटिस्ट ही हो गए. भाई मतलब इंजेक्शन को ऐसा किया तो बुलडोजर बन रहा है. And we used
so
to be,
that's so cool
we used to be like एक दिन प्रॉपर बुलडोजर बनाएंगे, फिर ऐसे ट्रैक्टर बनाएंगे, फिर हम प्रॉपर वो गांव में ऐसे दिखाएंगे लोगों को रेत उठा के कि देखो ये हमने बनाया है. But yeah, we had, and
Nice.
we failed a lot of times. We decided a lot of designs and we had so much fun. और इसी सब में हमने वो डिसाइड किया कि हाँ ये तो हो गया, अब वो तीर कमान वाला खेलेंगे.
nice
So like you said, you have been moving places. You have not had a constant friend who has been with you all the time, or something like that. But sometimes, do you like feel कि यार कोई एक तो होना ही चाहिए तो जिसको सब पता हो, या kind of that thing, like who has been a part of everything. Like I have at least one person
Yeah.
who has been a part of everything. Like whatever I have done,
Yeah.
he was there. He was present at least there. So don't you feel like कि it would have been nice कि चलो यार ये वाला कुछ कांड हो गया या ये वाला कुछ अच्छा हो गया, तब मेरे साथ कंपनी देने के लिए एक सिंगल पर्सन था.
क्या बोलते हैं इसका what in criminal partner in criminal
पार्टनर इन क्राइम, या
partner in criminal partner in crime
7 करोड़.
partner in crime हाँ of course ऐसे लगता है कि यार कोई एक जो बचपन से मुझे जानता है
Yeah.
या जानती है, बट ऑल्सो नाउ दैट आई हैव ग्रोन अप ऐसे कुछ होता नहीं है कि देर इज दैट ओनली वन पर्सन, यू नो. Since I've been in a relationship, my partner has become that person for me.
Oh,
He-
nice.
Yeah, I mean, he is the person who absolutely knows everything
Obviously.
about me. Of course, we didn't grow up together, but
You did actually. Like,
we did, but not as a child, na, like
as a teenager.
late teenage,
Late teenage. Yeah.
end of teenage actually. तो हाँ, पर ऐसे लगता है कि एक constant friend होना चाहिए, but then also I think of all the friends who've been with me in this. ऐसे नहीं, मतलब मेरा एक दो दोस्त है जो बहुत जब मैं बेबी थी तब से we've known each other.
Yeah.
पर gaps होते हैं ना life में, because
Yeah.
I've moved out of the country as well. Then I've come back. So like you change as a person. So then they have seen me grow up and I've seen them also. श्रुति करके मेरी एक दोस्त है जो she's 8-9 months older to me. तो जब से हम babies है तब से we've been friends because our parents are really good friends. But then ऐसे नहीं होता है कि यार हफ्ते में एक बार मिलते ही है या फिर हर रोज बोलते ही है, ऐसे नहीं होता है. We meet once in few months, we catch up where we have left off. ऐसे नहीं होता है कि अरे there is a gap, अब क्या बात करें एक दूसरे से, ऐसे नहीं होता है. तो friendships change.
Yeah.
Actually, as we
But do you like
grow
feel
older.
ki, see, like I said, ki we used to do stuff like,
Yeah.
and I'll tell you why we did that, because we didn't have anything to do. There wasn't any activity extracurricular that we did after school. Like we didn't have a sports academy where we together will go for a sport and
Yeah.
we will practice, we will
Yeah.
have fun
Compete.
and we'll compete. We didn't have any
Yeah.
as such thing. So we used to get creative by ourselves. Ki
Yeah.
chalo aaj, like I have some friends, Umar, then Faizan, then Salik, yeah, then Parvez was my friend. So we, like all of the children from the village, we used to come like कि हमें बड़े खेलने नहीं देते तो हम बच्चों की एक टीम बनाएंगे. And we'll collect money, like you bring every day, if you get 10 rupees from your parents, you give 5 rupees to the team, 5 rupees to spend. We actually did that, and then we collected money for a month or 2 months, and then we bought a kit of a team together.
Oh, nice.
So these are all small things we used to try because we didn't have any opportunity, so we used to like try to create those. I've had a lot of fun with them. Obviously now everybody of us is doing something, like some are studying for their NEET exams and some are doing something, and everybody somehow started working also, like some have.
Oh really?
Yeah, because responsibilities come, because some like किसी घर पे ऐसा कुछ हो, like they had to take responsibilities in a very early age. So but then we still are friends and we still do the same things when we meet. Like when I go back home, same ही होता है, like where we have ended the last time, we pick up things from the same topic.
Yeah.
But then now you are older than me and you have obviously
longer.
आपने मुझसे ज़्यादा monsoons, पावसाळे देखे.
Wow. Speaking of
as how we
पावसाळा.
speak. So what do you think? Do things change in friendships? Like do friendships change?
Yes, of course. I have learned it. I have learned it the hard way that not all your friendships are in your life for life.
Oh my God.
Some of them are really like seasons. They are there for a few seasons and then you have to let go of certain friendships. But along with that, there are some friendships that evolve.
Nice.
And especially female friendships is something that I am recently enjoying. And no, really, because it matters. It matters a lot to have healthy female friends with whom you can share with openness, because they will understand you, what you are going through as a girl or as a woman.
Yeah.
One really interesting thing that has been a constant pattern in my life is I've always had a friend group of 3 of us. Always. It's me and 2 other people. It's me and usually 2 other girls. So it's like a triangular friendship. I've always had that.
Nice.
I don't know, maybe a pattern. So I have such triangular female groups. One is with Kaumudi and Anuprita, and they are really dear friends of mine. And one is with Ankita and Sanika, and they are also really dear friends of mine.
Yeah.
And the most interesting part is that all of us are women. But with Kaumudi and Anuprita, we talk totally different topics than I talk to Sanika and Ankita.
Okay.
So female friendships is something that I am discovering, and I mean not discovering, but especially now as I'm getting older, I appreciate female friendships far more
Nice.
than
This is something new that I'm hearing, because I've
Yeah.
usually heard that people say ki it's better to have a friend of an opposite gender. Like,
I have some amazing guy friends as well.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
of my best friends is his name is Utkarsh. Utkarsh. But it's different with a guy.
yeah.
We have this banter. We are almost like kid-like with each other. You know, we'll
Pull each other's leg.
all the time. We're all the time insulting each other. All the time. We can't keep a straight face. It has to be like, it's like an upmanship, you know, like we're
Yeah,
always
yeah.
competing. But of course, it's not like we're actually competing
Uh-huh.
with each other. But I can have really calm, peaceful, really emotional conversations with him as well. Because he's known me for many years.
Yeah.
He's seen me grow. I have seen him grow. We've seen each other go through stuff in our personal lives and careers and family life. So, yes, friendships change, and some friendships you have to let go of. It hurts.
Oh, nice.
And one thing I keep saying is that, you know, the focus is always on, people always talk about that you need to put in effort with your partner in marriage and live in whatever. With your in your love life, you have to put in efforts. But a friendship is also a relationship.
Yeah.
And you have both the parties have to put equal efforts in maintaining that
You have said a very deep sentence. A friendship is also a relationship.
Yes.
We can make a t-shirt out of it.
And it's a very important relationship.
Yeah,
And
it is,
people
it
take
is.
friendships for granted. And I've said this to my friends that I will get tired of putting in the effort at one point, and I did get tired, and I have lost friends like
Oh
that.
my god.
And it hurts, but you also learn that it's okay. I mean, of course, I'm not going to be like, never again, we are done, we can't be friends anymore. If that person wants to come in my life again, he or she, they're welcome all the time. But as with age,
Yeah.
with wisdom, you will
With
understand
wisdom, yeah.
that some friendships
So, you know,
are...
have you heard, like, there is this, you know, what can we say, what can we call it? Like myth, or I don't know if it's a myth because I believe in it.
You believe in it?
Yeah, because they say that if you are sad or if you are not in a good mood and you are with your guy friends, then nobody will console you. अबे चलना क्यों रो रहा है, देख 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 मुंह देख इसका, and there will be this fun क्योंकि वो तब भी मजाक ही उड़ाएंगे, and this happens. But then when
You mean in a group of guy friends?
Guy friends.
मतलब अगर if I am with my guy friends,
no,
या फिर
if
you
I
are
am with my
a guy with his
obviously
guy
if you are
friends.
with your guy friends, then
हाँ.
I don't know how will they do. I think they will console obviously. But then
Yes.
if I am with my guy friends and I'm like, भाई नौकरी चला गया they'll be like, अबे चलना, वैसे भी बेरोजगार ही था, क्या 10,000 की नौकरी के ऊपर रो रहा है. They'll be like that. But then if a girl in a girl gang will be sad or will be upset, immediately everybody will be like, no babe, don't get sad. Like if a girl comes to her friends ki mera breakup ho gaya, and they'll be like, he didn't deserve you, you are far better. There will be that motivation factor.
Okay.
There is this
Let me-
more care and console, like the console
this
better.
is where the age, you are still young. This is a giveaway for you.
Okay.
Because I'll tell you, I've seen guys with their guy friends consoling each other after a certain point. And
After a certain point.
yes, at your age probably we were also the same, but older you get, more responsibilities you have to take on,
Yeah.
more life happens to you. Of course, there is still banter and pulling each other's legs, and that I think is going to be for life
Yeah.
with friends, and that is the beauty of it.
Yeah.
But it's not always. I mean, guys are there for other guys, other
And
guy
obviously,
friends.
I am not saying that they are not there.
Yeah.
They will be always there. They will not leave you.
And also with girls, I'll tell you, I'll give you a big insight, is that it's not always that a girl will go crying to her female friends. We also have this energy,
Yeah,
be like,
yeah.
yeah, babe, just move on, blah, blah, blah. You know, like sometimes
But
you have to
then guys
give it
are
to-
not like that. If you go to guys, like if I go to my friends, they'll not be like, कि, अबे यार क्या नाटक. They obviously will have some feeling
No,
for me, but
of
then they will be
course.
like, "अबे चलना है room," like they do
हाँ.
it purposely because they think कि शायद ये बोल के वो better feel करेगा.
And you don't actually. You're like,
No.
कैसे दोस्त है
But they
यार?
don't console you. Obviously, actually, I do feel because I know the intention with what
Of
they are saying.
course.
But then there is no तमीज. बिल्कुल ही निर्लज्ज लोग हैं.
Oh no.
कुछ तमीज होता है कुछ करने का.
Oh my god.
So yeah, but with girls they're more disciplined and they're like more
असं काही
caring.
नाहीये.
I guess असं म्हणतात लोक.
But men are also very caring. It just, I'll tell you,
If
I
it's
know.
a girl, obviously men are caring.
No, men towards men are also caring. Sorry to bring down the energy of this woohoo episode, but this is important to know
Yeah.
that what has happened is men, because of patriarchy and chauvinism, and a man needs to be a certain way,
Yeah.
it gets difficult for men to express and be vulnerable.
Yeah, yeah.
And we need to break that. A man
True.
should be able to be vulnerable, and it's okay if he cries. If he wants to cry on your shoulder, on his guy friend's shoulder, it should be okay. He's a human. And it's always also not like a girl will always cry. She will also want to kick your butt sometimes.
Yeah, yeah.
Out of anger, out of rage, out of hurt. So it's not always, a woman also should be given this chance to be that एक जाके थप्पड़ लगाओ
कि
type
तू
of
रो
कि
नहीं
I am,
सकती.
हाँ मतलब I could be, there could be tears
Yeah.
falling down my face, but that doesn't mean I'm a crybaby.
Yeah.
It is all that rage, that hurt
Yeah,
that is
true.
coming out.
True.
A man should be also given that
Yeah, true.
chance, or chance is a wrong word, acceptance that
Yeah.
dude, just cry it out. It's okay to cry. We are humans.
But then,
And this narrative needs to change, that if a guy cries, he's like a girl, or no, I mean, we are humans.
so like you said कि a man should also like be given that acceptance कि that he can cry and it should be cool. No, it should not be cool. It should be normalized. But
And to be able to access his feelings and to be able to express them.
But I'll
in
tell you
whatever
one thing.
form.
Recently, in like from past 3 or 4 years, I have like felt that in my friend circle wherever I have gone, that people find crying normal. Like I can talk to my friends and I can. Obviously, I haven't cried yet in front of anybody, and not even my family, I guess. Not even in front of me. I don't have that personal experience, but then I have seen my friends who are crying and who absolutely feel fine of crying and like.
Wait. So there is a deep. So you've never cried in front of
I don't-
anyone?
No, never.
Only when you're.
You know,
by
my mom
yourself.
tells me that if when you were a child you didn't cry, then I used to bite you here so that I could get a chance to like play with you, mat ro, and all of that. Because she used to get bored and she was like कि ये बच्चा है रो क्यों नहीं रहा है. She was like a छोटा सा
Yeah.
bite यहाँ पे मेरे हाथ पे, and then she used to tell me कि like she used to have that craving ना कि मुझे भी मेरे बच्चे को शांत कराना है and all.
हाँ.
So she also tells me कि after a certain age I have never seen you cry and I don't remember when I have cried last. And it is a problem with me, I guess. I don't know. It doesn't really happen even if I'm alone or even if I'm in front of somebody. It doesn't happen. But then in my friend circle, when we had come to your play, like which you were acting in, I had come with my friend Numan. So he felt like crying and he actually did, and he was like okay, and he shared it with me. Yeah, I just really like this play touched me and
Yeah.
I felt it, and he felt like crying, and obviously I too did because it was a really nice play and very emotional play. So but I didn't, because I think I'm not that kind of a person, or I don't know why I want to, but it doesn't happen. I don't know why. But nowadays in my friend circle, let it be guy friends or female friends, it is actually fine to cry. In fact, when somebody cries nowadays, like earlier there used to be कि मत रो यार, रो मत, चुप हो जा वगैरह. There used to be things like that, कैसे रोता है क्या कोई वगैरह. But then now it has changed to like कि रो ले यार, हल्का लगेगा. Like
That's beautiful.
like बाहर आने दे उसे कि रो ले. There are discussions like that now. So I think yeah, things are changing. I don't know how are they changing, but it's good.
So I have this one cultural question related to
Yeah,
this. So I've seen whenever, even in Kashmir, if a woman is also crying, they let her cry,
Yeah.
but the first instinct is to tell her stop crying, stop
Yeah,
crying.
I'll tell
Do you
you.
think that had something to do? And
It
also
is.
society must have, matlab, it's
I'll tell you why. It is not actually in our culture. I don't think it is particular to the gender. But then crying in general, let it be men crying or let it be women crying, it is considered as a negative energy. Or let it be a animal crying, because you know sometimes animals also cry.
Yeah.
Like a cat cries, a dog
Yes,
cries,
yes.
and we have like domestic animals who we have pets as, like we have cows, because we keep like we
Milk the
for
cow.
milk and or we have cattle like sheep and all in Kashmir,
Yes.
Kashmiri households. But then it is not considered as a good energy that anybody to cry. Like even if a animal also cries, it is not considered as a good energy. And if an animal cries, then it's considered as a really bad
Even
sign.
worse.
Even worse. Yeah, because they say that they can see things that we can't. They can see the bad coming. Something very bad is coming in our lives.
Do you think you had some impact on you as a
Yeah,
child?
yeah, true.
That-
Definitely I did have, because whenever anybody used to cry, there used to be like कि it wasn't like कि मत रो या वैसे करके, but then people used to say like कि रोना is, they used to say कि ये पाप है, don't. Ishugana, like we say in Kashmiri,
Yes,
ki
yes.
Mawad Ishugana, Ma Swadun Heaven,
Yeah.
Kenshin. Like we console them. They console them, but they say things like that. Ki
Yeah.
it's a sin, don't cry. Because they consider it as that it brings negative vibes, it brings negative energy. Because ultimately, I don't know what has been the reason, but it is considered that, yeah, if somebody cries, then it's not a good energy, or it doesn't bring a good vibe or good energy with it. So we should not cry, or if somebody is crying, that we should tell him to stop immediately. So it has had
But
an
it's
impact.
common for men all over the world
Yeah,
who have
yeah,
not
true.
cried for years.
Yeah,
A lot of guys
True.
have not cried or don't cry.
Uh,
Do you think that this, like you shared with us, that now since you've lived here and your group of friends here, you have that space to be
I
vulnerable?
do have that space to be vulnerable, and obviously I share my things with them. And I can anytime. Actually, they know everything if there is a high in my life or there is a low in my life.
Yeah.
But then there is this, even if I want to be vulnerable and cry, I am not able to do that. Is the problem with me. But even if you tell me to act, I don't think I'll be able to act.
Tears.
Yeah, never. But when
Never
I
say
was doing the
never.
play, I'll tell you, when I was doing the play, I was given this a situation ki, imagine that you are dying, that your death is standing in front of you, and you have to act. This was the situation given to me. And at that time, I just felt something that I'll have to meet my family for the last time. And it shook me, and I actually had tears in my eyes. But in the play, it was an exercise going on in my
Yeah.
college. But that was the first time I was like, oh, okay, if I had to act, I think I can pretend to cry. But in real life, no, it doesn't happen. Never. I have tried sometimes. Okay, it's okay to like be vulnerable right now.
Yeah,
But I was like, कि हो क्यों नहीं रहा है यार, इधर तक आया हुआ है, गला वो अटक रहा है, but ऐसा हो नहीं. Yeah, I don't know why is there. I don't think there is. If for me there is this thing that कि मर्द रोते नहीं है and all. It must be something else. I don't know.
That needs to stop. Yeah, I mean, it breaks my heart also for some guys not being able to express. And
Yeah,
that.
true. Tell me, do you feel कि friendships between peoples coming from different cultures is a bit different, or there is something uniqueness in those friendships? Because coming from different backgrounds, coming from different cultures, communities, religions, and totally different languages, and still being friends, I think that's really special.
100%.
And obviously you do have such friends.
Yes, yes.
In fact, us being like this is the same thing.
100%. I was going to get to that But growing up, I didn't have friends
Hmm.
from different
Yeah, same.
religion or even economical stratas.
Mhm.
We all were pretty belong to the same sector of the society.
Yeah.
Most of us belong to the same religion, though yes, but caste also.
Oh.
So the first time I befriended a person from different background, religion, race, community, country was when I had gone to America at 15. And I'm so grateful for that opportunity because we came from different, not just countries, but religions, races, uh, different economical backgrounds
Yeah.
as well. And that taught me everything I had to learn. The basic first thing as it taught me was I can have friends who belong to completely unheard of cultures. Like I had no idea how a person from Africa lives because that was the first time I met somebody from Africa. That was the first time I met somebody from Germany. That was the first time I met somebody from Indonesia and America, So
Yeah.
I became and thanks to all my friends,
Hmm.
we were 18 of us in that one city who had come as a part of cultural exchange program. And the give and take we had, I mean, we used to ask with no judgment, but also no restrictions questions about each other's cultures, about each other's religions. We have read each other's religion के जो sacred books होते हैं. We have done all that together. So that I didn't understand, but unknowingly that made me just okay with people
Yeah.
who don't look like me, who don't behave like me, who are nothing like me. I just became okay with people in general. So that's what friends from different backgrounds did to me. And then coming to our point, I mean, we are from different regions, different religions, but also different generations.
Yeah.
And here we are,
True.
having a conversation. And the pressure I think that is put on friendships is that every friendship you need to be best friends with everyone.
Yeah.
I don't believe that. Every friendship is different. Like our friendship is different than
Yeah.
what my friendship with my female friends is.
Yeah, true.
And that should be okay.
Yes. Everything has its uniqueness.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the things that we talk about, I'm not going to talk to them because it's unique to our situation.
Yeah, true.
Like we said, it's unique and every friendship needs to be celebrated. But the sad part is that people start drifting apart because of the differences. And it's sad that they don't understand that actually the strength is that they are different and then they can have an exchange of ideas.
Yeah, true.
That can actually make their bond stronger. And that the curiosity to know other person is so much greater when somebody comes from a different background than you. And we fail to see that. All we observe is that, oh, you come from this different religion, then I would not want to be your friend before even knowing that person, or getting to know their culture, their religion, their whatever ethnicity.
That's really sad,
Yeah. So have you had?
I don't think I have had such experiences of people, because when I came to Pune, I was from Kashmir, from a different religion or different culture. So me as a person, I didn't have any problem when I was excited कि wow यार आज नए लोगों से मिलेंगे, या people from different area, different region, let's see. Like I was always excited.
Here in Pune.
Yeah, to meet people.
But how was it back in Kashmir?
Back in Kashmir, actually, see, I didn't have many friends from other religions, and in our locality we didn't have any more. But I had a friend while growing up in my school. He was my classmate and he was my really good friend. He was a Kashmiri Pandit, and he was in my that core school friends group. So yeah, and I think it was normal for me as a child because my father has had such relationships and such friendships with people of other cultures, of other languages, because he has been in different places when I wasn't born or after I was born.
Yeah.
So he has been with some Kashmiri Pandits or Sikhs or anybody from who is not of the same religion or who's of the same religion but of the different culture or
Yeah.
different region.
Yeah.
So I think it comes from him, that because I had seen him talking to people the way they talk, and they talking to my father like he talks, like how do we talk, and they having that really special bond,
Yeah.
like seeing that the amalgamation of two cultures happening there.
Yeah.
So I had seen this as a child with my father, and because he still has such friends, and I'll tell you, one of his friends, he's actually a friend of mine now because he came to Pune to visit me.
Nice.
I'll tell you, and
Nice.
he's from Jammu, and really sweet. Like, he doesn't seem an uncle; he seems like a young guy of 30s. But then, yeah, it's sweet. But like, they care for me also so much. Whenever I visit home, they call me कि आ गए हो घर, and I don't even know them. I swear. I just कि हाँ पापा के कोई तो friend है. But then this call कि हाँ बेटा आ गए हो घर पे, कैसा था सफर वगैरह and all. You know, so this comes from there कि I knew कि यार ये करना है मुझे, and I wanted that because looking at my father having friends, he had friends from outer countries like Indonesia, Malaysia also, because he had gone to Saudi Arabia once. I think I was a child, 8 or 9, with my grandmother for Umrah. For the
Oh, nice.
yeah, what do we call that?
Hajj.
No, not Hajj. He has to. There are two types of pilgrimage. One is Hajj and one is Umrah.
Okay.
So Hajj we do while the Eid al-Adha, but Umrah can be done anytime. But then he had gone there, and he came back and he had online friends from different countries, and I was like, wow, that's so cool. So it comes from there. When I came here,
And do you know any of your mother's, like, do you have stories of your mom like this?
Yeah, she
of
also
her friends
has friends, but I don't think she has friends from different.
No. In general, friendships.
Yeah, my mom has a lot of friends. She's a total extrovert,
Nice.
and she has a lot of friends, and she's that boss. My mom is a boss, and she's so cool as a person. She's so funny, so cool. And she is friends with me. I can consider my mom as a friend. I swear. And she's a bully for my friends. I swear. And she tells me that I was a bully in my school. When I was in school, I was a bully.
She was a bully.
Yeah, no, she used to bully people. People used to be afraid of her.
Oh no.
And she was always like that, a boss. Ki haan, chalo. People call her DSP. Do you know that?
Oh my
That
god.
she behaves like one. So my mom is really cool, and she has also a lot of friends. Obviously, and then after marriage, everybody has moved to different places and all. But then, yeah, she also has a lot of friends.
But I have a question for you, that how do you think it has changed you or shaped you since coming to Pune and having friends from different backgrounds, and now you are growing up with them also? the
Yeah,
friends from
see,
Pune.
It has shaped my personality. I'll definitely. After coming to Pune, before that I didn't have a personality. I'll tell you, I was just this random naughty kid who could do anything.
You were very young also.
I was very young, obviously, but then जब इंसान की वो सोच develop होने लगती है, I was in that age. I was in this different region, far from home. So I was meeting people who are from different backgrounds, different cultures, obviously different economical backgrounds also.
Yes.
But I'll tell you, my friends from my school, everybody was so nice, yaar. I'll tell you, even if of my age or younger than me, they were so nice and they were welcoming. Obviously, I'll tell you, for the first year, they were afraid of me. I'll tell you honestly, my classmates. We were two guys not afraid, but then I was older than them, and I kind of, behaved a certain way and all of that. And they hesitated for the first time. And some didn't. some immediately on the very first day they came and they talked to me. They wanted to know about me, and they wanted to know about my language, where did I come from, everything. And there were a lot of questions happening कि हाँ ये वो मेरे साथ बैठ, नहीं 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 मेरे साथ ही बैठ तू, and all of that happening
Yeah.
that कि यार नया बच्चा है and all. So all this happened, but then there were a lot of people who couldn't come and talk and who avoided. But then after a year, when obviously I was like, I've always have been a guy who always opens up and who always tries to make friends wherever I go. So when I started opening up, then they were like, everybody was like, "Ki wow yaar," and then each and everybody was my friend. There is no person in my school who wasn't my friend. There is no such person, and each and everybody was so like interested and so like curious about me, about my village, about my place where I come from. Or I'll tell you, obviously there are some myths about us, about our region, but then they never came and like told me like on the face कि यार तेरे यहाँ तो ऐसा होता है ना. They came and obviously even if they felt that ऐसा होता है, they just came and they just asked me कि सुन ना आफरीन कि ऐसा ऐसा आता है न्यूज़ में, तो वो सच में होता है क्या? I felt, because I had questions before that कि तेरे को तो गन चलाना आता होगा, या तुझे तो तूने तो ये बहुत बम फूटते हुए देखे होंगे and all of that. But then the people who were my friends, they used to come कि ये सच होता है क्या यार, ऐसा होता है क्या सच में? And then I used to tell them कि नहीं ऐसा हम भी एक नॉर्मल लाइफ जीते हैं यार, हमारे यहाँ पे भी ऐसा रोज गोलीबारी नहीं होता है हमारे यहाँ पे भी बॉर्डर एरियाज और सिटीज अलग होता है. सो देन एंड दे वांटेड टू नो अबाउट मी एंड दे न्यू अबाउट मी. देन ऑब्वियसली मजाक होता रहता था एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड इवन इफ दे वंस माय फ्रेंड्स वर लाइक कि वी वांट टू कम विद यू एंड वी वांट टू ऑफर नमाज विद यू, इवन दैट डिडंट हैपन, बट दे वर लाइक कि हाँ हम वो करना चाहते हैं, यू टीच अस. And obviously I have went to temples with them, I have attended pujas and aartis with them, and with very innocent and pure heart, and it is a nice, that cultural exchange. I know their language, obviously they also wanted to know what, and my friends, I'll tell you, they can they know each and every bad word in Kashmiri. each and every bad word in Kashmiri, and obviously some good things also, and they remember it. And whenever I come meet them, now I'm in college and school friends, we are not together, but we meet frequently. Whenever I meet them, they are like hey, and they say something in Kashmiri and all. Me being here in a different background or in a different culture, or in such people who are not from the same community as I come from, so I never felt कि यार थोड़ा अजीब सा लग रहा है यार, खतरा सा लग रहा है.
You have never felt
No. I have always had the people around me who always comforted me and all. But then when you go out of Pune, like when you go to Kashmir and you stay there for your work for a while, so or even if you go outside of India, then you are a minority there, or we can't say it a minority, but then you are a person who is not of the same background, who is not of the same culture, and there are things like there can be things that you do, people can feel offended by that. You like things are like that. So have you ever felt threatened, or not even if threatened, but a sense of that, oh my god, discomfort and I don't belong here? Do you feel that my people are not here? Have you felt like that कि oh my god, कि मेरे खुद के लोग होते तो शायद मेरे यहाँ के लोग होते तो it would have been better? In Kashmir at least, have you ever felt that?
Never. I mean, I can say this with full confidence, that this has never ever even crossed my mind.
Nice.
कि यार मेरे लोग नहीं है, या फिर people like me are not here with similar backgrounds, culture and religion. I've never. But there has been this कि
you don't know the culture very well,
and they don't know
your culture.
My culture per se नहीं, पर because most of the Kashmiris that I know have not traveled outside of Kashmir.
Oh, okay.
Of course, they're aware कि बाहर भी जग है,
Hmm.
you know, like there is a world outside of Kashmir and
Hmm.
it's different to Kashmir, of course, and especially now with social media, everyone can see
Yeah.
that people outside Kashmir, my basic se basic, they dress differently, they talk
Hmm.
differently, they come
Yeah.
across differently. But when that encounter actually happens in
Hmm.
person, a
Yeah.
person like me, especially a person like me,
When you said encounter, I was like, oh my god. Which encounter happened now? Okay.
when an in-person meeting
I'm
happens,
sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, okay, okay.
when an in-person meeting happened.
Yes.
Uh, uh,
Okay.
then the curious mind was ignited for both the sides, for me
Yeah.
and for
But then,
Kashmiris.
do you feel that they want to know about you and your culture and they want to accept it, or you had to accept, or you had to adjust some things there?
I mean, of course, see, if I am going to a new city, country, region, whatever, I can't expect them to just start behaving like me,
Yeah, true,
right?
true.
It is their day-to-day life. They're just living their life, and it is me who is entering their world. So I won't say that people have had difficulties accepting me or I had to adjust वगैरह ऐसे कुछ नहीं, पर the adjustment has to be made from my side because I am going there. If they come here,
Yeah,
then
that's
they
true.
will
But
also have
the
to.
way I was asking is ki,
Yeah.
like, see, when I came here, but
Yeah.
then people wanted me, like, not in a bad way, but like, you know, that cutely and very from that care, ki they want me to make their own person, like a person who is a close one or a family member.
Yes.
So they wanted me to do some things जो उनके culture में होती है, some rituals, some things की
Like
like you know चल मिरोनक को जाते हैं गणपति
हाँ, हाँ,
मिरोनक को जाते हैं
okay.
all of that you know
Yeah.
some rituals that do people like
Yes.
people do in their daily life
yes.
that can be related to religion, that can be related to their any cultural ritual.
Right.
But then it wasn't out of hate or it wasn't out of कि नहीं तुझसे तो ये करवाऊंगा, but it was out of कि
Of course.
यार I want to
Share-
you to come in my family and I want to
Yes.
share all of that this with you.
Yes.
And everybody wanted me कि चल ये कर रहे हैं. I used to feel like कि यार yes करते हैं and I used to feel like loved कि वाओ यार ये ऐसा करना चाहिए.
Yes.
So is there like do you feel the same there? Do
100%.
people behave like that कि they try to
100%.
teach you Kashmiri and
100%.
want you to speak Kashmiri?
Not just the language. It is this.
Yeah.
That they want to share their culture with me.
Yeah.
And I mean, and it's so beautiful. It doesn't come from कि अब इससे करवा लूँगा या
Yeah.
फिर अब now we will make her
हाँ.
do this. None of it. There is so much love, curiosity, enthusiasm, care. They want me to experience because that gives them joy. So they want to share it with me. They want to share their joy with me. So much so that my food preferences are also
Yeah.
highly respected. मतलब when I was a vegetarian, it was never a question कि अब मैं क्या खाऊंगी, because a lot of people ask me this कि यार you go there, what do you can vegetarians get food in Kashmir?
Obviously we do.
And I'm like, yes guys, of course, and delicious Kashmiri vegetarian food exists. Of course, meat is a big part of that region. Any cold wintry region is going to have meat as a
obviously.
big chunk of their diet. But ऐसे नहीं होता है कि vegetarians के लिए food ही नहीं है.
No,
They
we
make-
have everything in veg and non-veg
Exactly.
both.
So then that's how, without saying anything, the respect is shown, and you respect the other person by without even making a statement out of it. So of course I have felt welcomed, and I've made really nice friends also in Kashmir, with whom I can have these open discussions about culture, religions. They question me, I question them, because I come from a Hindu family, and
Obviously.
you or most of them, all of them actually, most of them come from Kashmiri Muslim families. So that actually became a great icebreaker for us, me
Yeah.
and my friends in Kashmir, where we started asking questions
Yeah.
about
Nice.
things that we have heard about each other's religions. And then just out, not ki ab I will make you change, I will make you understand ki, it wasn't that. Like, I was genuinely curious about certain things ki I've heard about this.
तो लाइक जब मैं यहाँ पे था, जब मैं पुणे आया, आई हैड पीपल हु took care of me or who made sure that I am welcomed here. I feel like home here. Like I had Asim Foundation and who brought me here, and I had a family with them. Obviously, the people I met was because of them, because of you guys, and I had such people here so that I could feel at home. I could feel with family. But like when you are in Kashmir and just telling that you are with locals, because
Yes.
when you are working there, you are with locals for a lot of time in the village, and obviously both of you only ones who are from outside and
Yes.
everybody else is a Kashmiri.
Yes.
Like how do they, like, even if not only the ones you live with,
Yeah.
but how is your equation, how is your connection with the whole villagers, and how do they treat you and how do they host you?
It is a magical time when we are about to enter the village or reach our home, wherever we stay in Kashmir. Each and every person knows us
From the village.
from the village.
Okay.
Each and every person.
That is so Kashmiri.
That is so Kashmiri, but that is so heartwarming.
Yeah, true.
They love us and they love having us over. I've had really cute moments with the locals. One of them, it's funny also. So it's a very small village where we
yeah.
go and work. And I had never seen, and I still don't see, women riding a bike or driving car.
Okay, there.
And it is so, they're so cute. They're like, oh my god, you can drive, you can ride a bike. And I'm like, yeah, I mean, everyone does.
Yeah.
So then one day, the family that we stay with, so auntie was like, okay, I want to go to farm, let's go on bike.
Oh my god.
And then I rode the bike till the farm. Then we came back and the entire village was looking at us with appreciation, not with like, you, how is a girl riding? But they were so amazed that, oh my god, ek gaadi ladki chala rahi hai.
Oh, nice.
And then after, till the end of our stay that time, everyone came and they were so appreciative that, oh my god, आपको गाड़ी चलानी आती है, आपको 4-wheeler भी आती है? मैंने बोला हाँ आती है. Oh my god, next time आप हमें 4-wheeler में लेके जाओ, हम घूमने जाएंगे, सिर्फ लड़कियां घूमने जाएंगे. It was so refreshing, heartwarming for me to see. It is such a basic thing here in Pune.
Obviously.
Everyone knows how to ride a bike, moped, how to drive a car. I mean, it is you have to know these things in a city. So I take them for granted. And then when I went there, it was, or even the small children, they come running towards us, like running. They're so excited to see Nachiket and I. They hug, they want to crawl all over us. And it is the best welcome we have ever experienced, ever. And Kashmiris are great hosts.
I know, we are known for that.
Yes,
we
they
are known
know
for our
how
hospitality.
to, very
but
much.
Then do you feel like obviously there will be some limited people you will be connected, you'll have an attachment.
Yeah.
But then do you feel like there is that emotional attachment or that emotional thing with everybody, like everybody comes with that key, oh my god, they should be at least for once at my place.
Yes.
Or they should have a meal with me. Is there that thing?
Of course, everyone wants us to. So I'll tell you actually a really nice incident that happened with us. So we were in Srinagar, and due to
it is so nice that you said Srinagar.
I remembered, and it was the first snowfall of that winter, and the shops were closed because it was still early in the morning. And Nachiket and I were really hungry and we really wanted coffee or tea, whatever, but we needed something to eat or drink. So we stepped out of the hotel and we were on a street and we were looking for some place ki yaar chai to de do.
Yeah.
Nothing was open. And we were looking, and there was this auntie who was walking, and she saw our faces. And at that time, it was in the initial years
Yeah.
of our visiting Srinagar, Kashmir. So we were wearing different winter coats. We weren't wearing Farron.
Yeah.
So of course we looked different distinctively. So that auntie approached us and she was like, क्या हुआ, क्या ढूंढ रहे हो आप लोग? तो we were like, कुछ नहीं आंटी, भूख लगी है और सब दुकानें बंद हैं, पता नहीं क्या करेंगे. Nonchalantly, she's like, आ जाओ घर,
Oh my god.
I'll feed you.
And you have met for the first time.
For the first time ever.
Oh, nice.
And so we went to her place.
And you had
And we
tea.
now are friends.
Oh my god.
And she made the most delicious paneer salmon for me because I'm a
Salmon,
vegetarian. She made the most delicious chicken for Nachiket.
Oh, nice.
Not that moment, but later
Yeah,
during our
obviously.
stay in Kashmir. This would never happen here. I also wouldn't do it. That if I see a stranger, aa jao ghar.
No, but
It's not in our nature.
I have like not the same as you
It's
have.
not. We
No,
need
but
to
I
give,
have had people like who have like obviously known me first,
of course.
and
Then we are.
want me to come to their places and
Yes.
host me really nice.
But this is so amazing.
Yeah,
I
it
mean,
is.
there was zero whim also of doubt or this ki yaar bulao ya nahi bulao. She could have just told us ki go in this neighborhood, you'll find something to eat.
Yeah.
She could have very well done that. She didn't. She invited us over, and now this is for life. Like we know them for life now.
That is actually so Kashmiri because you know when my friends and their families from here Pune
Yeah.
visit Kashmir sometimes and I'm here and they are visiting there. After coming back they are like कि यार वो ड्राइवर भी बड़ा स्वीट था यार वो हमें
Yes.
उसने माना ही नहीं वो एक बार हमें घर ले गया और उधर चाय वाय
Yes.
पिलाया and like this all this hosting and hospitality this is so Kashmiri
And they take it to heart. huh?
yeah and they
अगर
do.
हम लोग कॉल नहीं करते वापस आने के बाद या फिर उनसे बात नहीं करते हैं ना, oh my god, of course we also miss them a lot,
हाँ.
but oh my god,
बुरा
their
मान जाते हैं
attachment,
कि-
हाँ,
Yeah,
and it's
true.
genuine attachment.
Yeah.
मतलब वो they feel sad, उनको लगता है कि यार ये चले गए, मतलब ये
भूल
who
गए.
knows ना, हाँ
हाँ.
भूल गए, पता नहीं वापस कब आएंगे, आएंगे या भी नहीं.
They want you to be back
Yes.
there. Obviously, you will have some friendships or attachments or some connection with Kashmiri females, and obviously, being a female, you will be like they, not you. You to obviously will be open with everybody to have a friendship, but they will be more open to have you as a friend.
100%.
But then, you know, we as Kashmiri men or Kashmiri boys, we have this, particular image
हाँ.
outside the world. What do you think of that? Like when you meet a Kashmiri man or a boy in person who is your friend right now, or when you met him for the first time, what was it like? Like, did you feel? Obviously, there are such cases we cannot disagree or deny, but then everything isn't the same.
See, male chauvinism, patriarchy is existing all over the
Yeah, that's
world.
true. Yes.
So I can't just isolate Kashmir and say that it is prevalent in Kashmir. No, it's prevalent in the entire world.
World, yeah.
So of course there are cases and there are men who still are like कि लड़की को घर का काम करना चाहिए, लड़की को बाहर जाकर पैसे कमाने चाहिए. But it's not specific to Kashmir. It is specific to that gender all over the world.
True.
I've had amazing interactions and connections with Kashmiri men. Older men, younger men, boys, men my age. And it was so sometimes almost heartbreaking to see older Kashmiri uncles who are, you know, big. Hatte katte, क्योंकि farmers and, you know, they're to be vulnerable.
Oh my God.
And cry.
Oh.
And express and just wanting to have a connection and wanting to just talk to me And Nachiket, I mean, there was no such a thing कि ये लड़की है, ये पूना से है, तो how can I be vulnerable in front of her?
And is there this thing that we talked about Kashmiri older men, and do they address you like कि ये तो हम मेरी बच्ची है and all, because this is a
Yes.
thing there कि they're obsessed with having
No,
a
I mean, no, it's not an obsession. It is like a
हाँ
loving, it's a very
Yeah.
lovely feeling, emotion
True.
that older पापा के एज के जो
हाँ.
बंदे हैं वहाँ के, yes, of course, they treat me like their daughter and they
Yeah.
are protective about me as if I am actually their daughter. And same for Nachiket also, as if he's their son.
Yeah.
But speaking of gender difference, I have interacted with vulnerable Kashmiri men, and it whatever we see in media,
Mhm.
it's a very limited image of Kashmiri men that is
Yeah.
being portrayed.
That is what I want to
Yes.
actually say to the world, that
And we are not saying it doesn't exist. It exists.
Yeah.
But like you said, border region and village are two different things, right? So there is no denial. It is a border region, so conflict is inevitable in whichever border region we go to.
How much on a scale of 10 will you recommend people to go to Kashmir, not as tourists, but to just go to the local areas and be with locals?
10 on 10.
Really?
Of course. I think that's where the actual beauty of Kashmir lies, is we can learn so much.
Yeah, I think I've heard it from a lot of people that it is
Yes.
actually the people.
100%. I mean, the nature is gorgeous, but
Yeah.
people and their curiosity and their innocence is something that is really refreshing for city people.
Okay, so कश्मीरी लोग यहाँ पे ब्लश ना ही करे तो ठीक है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा तारीफ हो रही है.
Are you blushing? You're a less Kashmiri.
Oh my god.
You're a
Let's
Puneri
not-
now.
No, yeah. Okay, so on that note, let's learn today's Kashmiri.
Yes.
So what do you want to learn today?
Is there any specific thing regarding friendship that is said in Kashmiri? कि मतलब क्या हैप्पी फ्रेंडशिप डे या फिर अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज अ
No.
फ्रेंड इन डीड, ऐसे कुछ है
I
क्या
don't think we
कश्मीर
don't
में?
have anything like that, but we say कि like इसमें बरादर, like he is my buddy.
He's my dude, he's my
buddy, इसमें बरादर. Yeah, we don't have anything like that कि we don't wish happy friendship day and all.
no, of course, but like anything. ये what were you saying
क्यों
now?
मामा कहती, that's the way we
Address
each other, right? क्यों करा है?
So okay, that one, like you're my
By the way, this is not my actual accent. My Kashmiri accent is a bit different, but this is Srinagar accent. क्यों मामा क्यों कहती को तू क्यों?
Mama.
Like we, this is slang kind of thing कि क्यों मामा को तू, like
कहाँ चले?
किधर कहाँ चले? हाँ.
So okay, if I want to invite my Kashmiri friends to Pune, what should I say to them? And especially Ajja Kashmir,
I'm like, you
किंवा
can-
काकू and
हाँ.
aunties.
You can say कि पक्की आज को सुवन.
Wait, what? काय?
पक्की आज को सुवन.
नहीं, slowly.
पक्की आज को सुवन.
आज गच्चव सोन.
या आज हजी जो ते सुवन.
असं की you guys are always welcome to Pune or in my home.
That will be a little complex, but I'll
Okay.
try. तो has to Pune as मुझे घर तो है कि कुंते साथ ये. तो ये
तो ये
has
to
Pune as
Pune
मज
मज
ते
ते
आक
ak
घर
gar
तो
te
तो है क्यों तुवड़
तो है के तोड़
तो है क्यों तुवड़
तो
तो है क्यों तुवड़
तोड़
कुंते साथ
quinta साथ
yet.
ये
It's like you have a home in Pune and you
Yes.
can come there anytime. Like
Anytime.
we'll love to
Have you.
Do you want to try it in a go?
no way no way
Okay, but
you say it in the entire thing and then we then we stop for today.
Okay, so
On behalf of Diksha,
on behalf of Diksha हंद तरफ छुस बह वनान सारनी क्वेश्चन कि तुम हेकु कुन साथ पुणे यित अगर तुम कुन साथ पुणे मज छु तुम हेकु तिहुन यित तिम गसन खुश तुहन मेजबान गसनस मज नत तुह लाइक तिमन गस वारिया खुशी तुहन मेजबान
yes,
बननस मज
varia khushi.
so you know what does मेजबान means host. So they love to host you. तिमन गस वारिया खुशी तुहन मेजबान बननस मज बाकी ये तो आज ये कन्वर्सेशन बूझू सोनी कत बात बूझू तथ मतलब क्या बासो तुम लिखो कमेंटन मज बन कन बे करो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब बे अगर तुम क्या यथन छो कि यथ मतलब बह कत हेक करित सो तुम लिखो ति आई विल डेफिनेटली डू दैट बह कर जरूर तथ पे अमल करो जरूर तथ मतलब कत बाकी वस्सलाम.
Yes. So please subscribe to our channel, share our channel Be Pathar with all your friends, all your colleagues, all your family members. Like, comment, let us know what you thought of the episode and what should we talk about more.
Yeah.
So
Like, are there any other elements that we can add to this our genre of the conversation?
100%. So let
Yes,
us know
we'll
in the comments
definitely
below.
love to do that. And if you want to tag anybody in your best friend and share something funny incident with them,
Yeah.
you can do that as well.
Yes.
We'll love to listen to that also.
We would love to know your funny key days
Yeah.
that you have done with your friends.
So tag them in the comments and write the kida that you have done incident.
Yes.
So
Great.
thank you for being
Thank
with
you.
us.
Actually, this will never stop this
Yeah.
conversation, but we'll see you in our next episode.
Next episode. Yes. Bye bye.